Hello and welcome to Sew with Kimberly. I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to tie a necktie, okay? So first we want to place it around the collar. You can pop your collar a little bit. This is just going to be a basic tie. Okay, make sure that the bigger side, the fatter side, is longer than the skinny side. Okay. And you're going to just take it over, under, back over. And you're going to tuck it up and pull it through. And I'm going to just show you the knot that you just made right there. That's what you're going to thread that part of the tie through. You're just going to pull it through there. Just like that. And you want to grab the skinny piece in the back and pull it down while you push up on the knot. You see that loop? That's where you're going to put that little skinny piece. And that's it. So I'm just readjusting it a little bit. But that's it. Okay? So now we're going to do more advanced tie, where the skinny piece is much shorter, as you see here. You're going to take it over, bring it up, and pull it through, leaving it on that same side. Okay, go underneath. You're going to go over that side and pull it through. Okay, so now you see how it looks like that. Okay, now you're going to take that, place it over, bring it underneath, pull it through right there. I'm going to lay that up there and show you the knot I just made. And that is what you're going to thread your tie through. And now you want to take the skinny part, pull it down towards the floor, and your hand around the knot and pull it up towards your neck as you adjust in it. Okay? If you need to, you could pull on the front piece like I'm doing here, just to kind of get it straightened up. You should have a nice pretty V, and put your skinny piece in that loop behind your fat piece, and that's it. Thank you. Thank you.